Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today we're going to make a zipper pull, and I am using round nose pliers, some flush cutters, and just some regular pliers. And the wire I'm going to be using, it's a coconut colored, I believe it's 20 gauge. And then I'm going to use an antique brass fleur-de-lis charm, which matches the coconut colored wire. I also have some glass pearls, a lobster claw clasp, and these glass crystals. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to put the beads on there in the order that I want them. Just a simple pattern, every other bead. The next thing I'm going to do is use my round nose pliers to wrap a loop, and I want a pretty good wrap, so I got a big tail there, and I'm going to put my charm on there before I start wrapping, and then I'm just going to wrap the excess wire around. Pretty messy. Now once I have my wire wrapped like I like it, make sure to tuck in the ends so it's not going to poke out and scratch you. Just feed your beads down and then you wrap another loop just like you did the first one. Now you want to make sure you leave enough room between the loop and the beads so the wrap will fit. And again, I'm putting the lobster claw clasp on there before I start wrapping. Make sure you tuck your end in and you're all finished. These are great little dangles to use in a variety of places. You can put them on a bag, you can put them on your phone, you can put them on a Blythe doll. I want to thank you all for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.